कितना मुश्किल है अज़ियत ये गवारा करना, दिल से उतरे हुए लोगों में गुजारा करना। जिंदगी हम पे ये आसान भी हो सकती थी, सीख लेते जो अगर किसी दर्द का चारा करना। कहाँ जाते हो, अभी साथ गुजारो कुछ दिन, हम पे मुश्किल जो आए तो किनारा करना। कितना मुश्किल है जलाना किसी रास्ते में चिराग, कितना आसान है हवाओं को इशारा करना। जिंदगी हम तो चलो मान भी गए, सह भी गए, ऐसा बर्ताव किसी से ना दोबारा करना। कितना मुश्किल है अज़ियत ये गवारा करना, दिल से उतरे हुए लोगों में गुजारा करना। Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good, living safe and sound at your homes. Have a blessed day. Today I was free at home and I had nothing to do, so I was thinking what should I do. In a meanwhile, my mom bring potatoes from potato farm nearby our home. Mostly we buy fresh vegetables from there, and they sell natives on very cheap prices, and that's how we achieve two things at once: firstly fresh and nutritious vegetable, and secondly on cheap prices. I was looking at potatoes and I was like, potatoes, and suddenly an idea hit my mind. I jumped out of the sofa. It was 9 o'clock and I haven't done my breakfast yet, so I decided to make a healthy, hearty, and delicious aloo ka paratha. So let's get started. I took round about 750 gram of potatoes and washed them properly, peeled them, diced into the small pieces. In cooking, mostly I prefer to use pressure cooker because it saves a lot of time. In a pressure cooker, I added about a liter of water to boil. Once they were done, strain the water and set them on side to let them cool. I mashed them with the help of masher. For base of stuffing, I used chopped onion, 3 tomatoes finely chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies, and in a pan I added oil. Once oil is hot and shimmering, I added tomatoes and onions, green chilies, cooked them properly. When tomatoes start changing their color, then I added spices like salt, pepper, coriander, turmeric powder, chili flakes, and stirred to mix them and cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. And threw mashed potatoes, mix all the ingredients well and turn off the flame. Cover it with lid and set it on side. Steam inside will keep the stuffing moist and soft. All the flavor will develop nicely and stuffing will be cooled down gradually. Set it on side while it cools down. Let's move towards dough. For dough, I mix two kinds of flours in half ratio. I use whole wheat flour, half cup, and half cup of fine flour. It will be good enough for 2 parathas. Then I added half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 tablespoon of carom seeds, and knead it with gently warm water about quarter of a cup. Put it in fridge for about half an hour. On other side, I added chopped coriander leaves on stuffing for nice flavors and to look it more delicious and tempting. After half an hour, dough was set properly. Now everything is ready to make parathas, so let's get started. First and most important thing to make perfect parathas is to use heavy bottom pan. Now put the pan on the heat and turn it on the medium. I love crispy parathas, but if someone likes soft parathas, add milk or yogurt to knead the dough. Firstly, heat the pan over the medium flame, and while it happened, I started making balls, 2 balls for each paratha. Here I have $100 million tips for you to make perfect parathas. The first is to use heavy bottom pan or tawa, and other is to use right amount of ingredients to make perfect dough. Now let's move towards our paratha making process. Firstly, make 2 balls of medium size. each paratha. Here you want to rest balls, cover it with cling film and let it be for a while. But I'm rolling it immediately. Firstly, roll both balls and on one add stuffing, cover it with other and close it from the sides by pressing against each other. You must be careful while rolling out the balls to make roti. For stuffing, they must be 2 inches or 2.2 or 2.5 inches in diameter, otherwise they would be difficult to handle the paratha. And roll out the paratha gently or in between your hands, flip it over 2 to 3 times and put it on the tawa, which I have preheated already. I have different kinds of pans or tawas like steel, cast iron and non-stick pan, but I mostly prefer to use steel pan. I don't know, maybe I'm used. After putting paratha on the pan, turn the flame on medium. Don't keep it on high, it can burn paratha from outside and it will remain uncooked from inside. Paratha is love, paratha is heart, and morning is incomplete without paratha. So paratha shouldn't burn, because if paratha burns, then mood will be like destroyed. Did cook it from one side for about 3 minutes, and when it's nicely golden brown from one side, flip it over and cook it from other sides for more 3 minutes, and also add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of desi ghee, and then both sides are nicely golden brown crispy. Turn the flame off. Now paratha is ready to serve. Paratha is a comforting and enjoyable meal. Parathas can be customized with the various fillings like vegetable filling, lentils, paneer. It depends upon the choice of a person. It has mainly carbs and proteins, fibers and potassium in it. In Pakistan, paratha is the most favorite thing to eat in nashta. Can be eaten with chai chutney or as per choice. I enjoyed it with chai and it was real fun to have paratha. Try it at your homes and let me know in comment box how it was. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button below. Till then, remember me in your warm prayers. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.